So I'm gonna start with a slip knot using a 7mm crochet hook and a medium worsted yarn. I'm gonna chain 80. So we form a circle. From the very first stitch I will insert my hook with both sides facing the outer of the chain. I will join with a slip stitch like so. I'm gonna chain one, single crochet in the very first stitch, skip 2, 5 double crochet in the next stitch. So the shell stitch is about skip 2, 1 single crochet, skip 2, 5 double crochet in the same round all throughout the work. And then there is a small differentiation in the next rows, which I'm gonna show you in a while. So 5 double crochet, skip 2, single crochet, skip 2 again, 5 double crochet. So we'll continue the same till the end of the work. Skip 2, single crochet, skip 2, 5 double crochet, all in the same chain. Again, follow the written pattern so you don't get lost with the tutorial if you're a beginner. Skip 2, single crochet. I'll come back at the end of this round to show you what to do next. So here I'm at the end of the round, so I have made a single crochet. I'm gonna skip 2, and again the last 5 double crochet here. Don't forget that we have started with a single crochet, so the normal finishing is 5 double crochet in the last chain before we skip 2. So here, and then join in the beginning of the chain 1 space, slip stitch, so here we have it, the first round of shell stitches. So now one thing you need to remember in every round now, so whenever the previous round was a single crochet, so the next one will be chain 3, 2 double crochet in the same chain. That means half of a cluster in every beginning of the round. If you finish the round with half cluster, so the next row will start with a single crochet, and so on. Again, look into the written pattern to follow clearly with the video. So now chain 3 in this first stitch, single crochet, 2 double crochet, which will make the first half cluster. Now I'm gonna skip 2, single crochet in the next chain, again the same thing, skip 2, 5 double crochet, always till the end of the round, and for each round skip 2, single crochet, skip 2, cluster, 5 double crochet. So the 5 double crochet will always be on top of a previous single crochet, and the single crochet will always be on top of the middle of the shell. So again, I'm at the end of round 2, and then I'm gonna skip 2 and join to the first cluster or half cluster. Now, as we said, whenever we start the previous row with a half cluster, the next row will be a single crochet. So chain 1, single crochet, skip 2 and 5 double crochet, which is a shell, and continue the work the same way. Again, skip 2, single crochet, skip 2, shell stitch or 5 double crochet. We'll do the same for 15 rounds to obtain the neck warmer or the shell stitch cowl. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section, or any queries. And again, do not forget to check the written pattern so you can follow along with this video. Until next time, take care, bye bye.